Hey everyone, I'm back and my name is V. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. If you're new, thank you very much. If you're a return subscriber, I want to say thank you again for coming back. I do appreciate you. In today's video, I am going to do a brow tutorial. Not really a tutorial, I'm just gonna show you how I draw in my brows. It was requested by one of my viewers, so I will show you how I do my own. Before I start, I have nothing on my brows. I always shave all my brows off. As they grow, I just trim them and shape them, and then when I don't like, when I'm not interested in them anymore, I'll just shave it all off and draw it. But it's growing back. The first thing I do, I take my MAC powder, or any powder. Any powder will do. What I do, I take my powder, today I'm just using the MAC foundation powder, and I put it on the area where I'm going to draw because I have very oily skin. As you can see, I have oily skin. And I do that with the powder so the pencil can work better. Just so it is dry and not oily. I'm using the SEPHORA retractable brow pencil, waterproof, and it looks like this. It's very thin. Very thin. I love it. So now that I have powder on both, let's see what I do. Need a mirror. Okay, I want you to be able to see, so I hope I'm positioned good enough. So let us see where I want to start, because I'm drawing all the time differently. That's a good one. It's a good mirror, but this isn't helping me at this point. Okay. Okay, I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. I go like this. This is the one I already started drawing on. The one about that angle. I don't have my contacts in today. It needs to pick me up. Okay. When I go on the side, it doesn't pick up the... My camera tends to kind of move. I'm not sure why. Okay. And I just trimmed my brows yesterday, so... Then I just fill it in. I go as dark as I feel I need for, or as light as I want to. It's a preference. One brow. No brow, brow. Okay, now we're doing the second one. Make sure you can see what I'm doing. And then I fill it in. Then if it doesn't look right, I go back in and I fix it. Nothing too fancy. This one need a little darkening, so I'm just darkening this one all over again. I'm going to make it a little longer to match this one. This is the first part. Now that I have my brows drawn in, I'm going to use concealer. I have two. The lighter one is for under my brow. The darker one is for above. So we're going to do the bottom first. I always put a lot because I am going to go back in with this flat. I go in with this flat brush and I pick up from where I put the excess, and then I go like this. Like this. And then I just take the excess and base my eyes. That's one. Now we're doing the second one. Same thing as the other one. Brush again. I take what I need and I go this way. Like this. And the rest I base my eyes. Same as the first one. I'm using the same brush to do the top. I do the same thing with the top. Now, same brush, I'm doing the darker one on top. This is what I do, and then I just fix it. Can you see? I want you to be able to see. I'm trying to make sure you can see what I'm doing. This way, which way should I go? This way, I think. I think that's the way I need to go so you can see. I have no contacts in. So this is it. See, this one I just finished doing. This one is undone. It's done. And I just move excess. If I have excess, I move it around. I just brush it up like this, and when I do my foundation, it will blend in with my foundation because it's the color of my skin. Now that is done, I get my sponge, a teeny weeny sponge, a couple of them, and I go like this. Both top and bottom. This is what I use for me to create my brows. This is it. And then when after I put my eyeshadow and my foundation and everything, if I have to fix something wrong, I just tweak it a little. But this is it. I have two different, my eyes are different on both sides, so sometimes it doesn't come out as even as it's supposed to, but once I do everything else, it falls in place. This is how I do my brows. This is it. I hope you liked this video. If you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. This was requested by one of my viewers. I appreciate the request and I try to fulfill it the best way I know how, because this is just exactly how I do my brows. Thank you all again for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. and eyes, and I will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.